I get a medium hot chocolate with 1 milk and some whipped cream, and just a hash brown, please.
It'll be $12.50.
Thank you. Today we made the big trip all the way to IKEA, which is like 2 hours from our house. I've talked about it a bit already, but I am going to be moving out in January. I'm going to be talking more about it in a whole video. I haven't been to IKEA in forever. I have these memories as a kid coming here. There's like a little kids section where you can drop your kids off, and there's like a ball pit. Anyways, it was really cold this morning and super bright. I have a few different things in mind that I want to get. I really need to get a dresser. That's something that I don't have. Literally just getting out of the car and it's already so busy. I haven't been around this many people. Like, I don't really go out to big stores like this. Look at this color of this KitchenAid. This would match my sage green, except obviously I'm not gonna buy a brand new KitchenAid, but that would be like my dream color. Only in the kitchen section right now, so we haven't really got to the section where I need most things. I need like more bedroom stuff. There's so much to look at. I think we kind of got to like the kitchen marketplace part now. There's so much to take in. It's honestly kind of overwhelming. So we're looking at the chairs right now. I'm thinking I should probably have something small like this for a desk in case I actually want to work at a desk and not in my bed. I really just want something cheap though. That chair is literally $16. I don't know about that, but that one's only $35. I want something like relatively inexpensive. I changed my mind on a chair because we're in the actual desk section now. This one's a spinny chair and it has arms, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. I also really want a cheap desk. This desk is only $99 and it's really small, but it's pretty much all I need. So we're getting more into the bedroom area now. This is a nice little view of the IKEA flags. The things I need to get in this section are for sure a dresser. I need organizational stuff. I honestly got rid of so much stuff when I came back home to my parents that I do not have a lot left. Okay, we're in the dresser section and I'm debating between this one for $269 or this one is $249. It just has less drawer space. So this is kind of like the black mirror that I got at HomeSense the other day. My thought process is to have my desk underneath the mirror, not quite like this. Like I didn't want to do a full vanity situation, but just having like the desk underneath the mirror so I can do my makeup and do homework there. Okay, we're finally in the marketplace section and this is where I'm gonna just want to buy everything, especially the kitchen stuff, so I have to have some self-control. There's a whole wall of throw blankets and throw pillows. I know I've already bought 2 blankets, but you can never have enough blankets. Especially, I think that little basket that I got at HomeSense, I'm going to keep all my blankets and pillows in. So this is only 20 bucks. I might just get an extra one to have in case someone comes over or something. Okay, we're almost in the aisles. The store is taking us so long to get through. We're in the part of the marketplace that kind of has all the little random things. You see what's coming up, the plants. This is the thing that I love. Okay, I'm actually so excited right now because I've always wanted to get like a big fake plant, like a big one for the corner of my room, but they're usually so expensive. It's a little too fake, eh? Yeah. Well. Yeah, that's my choice. Okay, we finally made it to all the aisles and I just loaded all this stuff up on the cart. We're gonna go get a hot dog on the way out, check out, because we're both starving and we're going home. It's been a couple days and I'm gonna do like a little mini haul for you guys. I was gonna do it the other day when I got home, but it was already dark pretty much by that time. Everything that I'm about to show you now is just gonna be the stuff that I got from IKEA. There still are a few things from HomeSense and a few things from Amazon. I was originally gonna do like a huge haul. Oh, I thought that it would just be a lot less overwhelming to kind of know like all this stuff is from IKEA, and then when I show you guys after, you'll know like that stuff's from Amazon. I just wanted to break it up basically. I'm gonna start by showing you guys all the like little things that I got, and then obviously I have not built the furniture yet. I don't plan on building that until I'm in the condo, obviously, but I will show you guys pictures of the furniture that I ended up getting. To start this off, this very first thing is something that I actually looked for years ago when I first moved out. Really wanted one of these and I couldn't find them anywhere. Now I see them everywhere, of course, years later. So it's just this like tabletop desk that you can have in your bed, basically. When I move out, I'm gonna be going from a desktop computer to a laptop, so I thought that this would be super convenient because I'm sure I'll be using it a lot just sitting in bed. I guess I'll just kind of continue with the bedroom stuff next since I already somewhat started with that. So the next thing is just this throw blanket. This was super affordable, actually, only 20 bucks, I think. It's not the heaviest blanket in the world, but I already bought 2 other blankets if you watch my other shopping vlog. I just feel like you can never have too many blankets or pillows, especially if people come over. This next thing is probably the thing I'm most excited about. Finally splurged and got myself one of these plants. When I saw these at IKEA, I was so excited because I wanted one of these forever. Like a bigger fake plant that will kind of fit nicely in the corner and it's almost looks like a tree. And I was actually gonna buy like the white planter to go with it, but when I got up to the cash register, it was cracked. So thankfully the cashier told me that. It actually works out better because I think that I'm gonna get one of those pot planters that have the wooden stands on them just so it looks a bit taller. Next, I also got another plant, except this one is actually not fake. I have no idea what type of plant this even is, but I'm gonna put these in the bottom so that when I water it, it'll still have like some sort of drainage because that seems to be one of the big problems I have with keeping plants alive. Okay, the last thing that I got for bedroom stuff, other than the furniture, which I'm gonna show at the end, is these hangers. I actually got 4 of these. The first kitchen thing that I got is this salad spinner. I actually really love making salads, and even things like tacos, I'm always super lazy and I do wash my lettuce, I do wash my vegetables, but I never drain them or anything like that after, and then I find there's so much extra water content from the lettuce on my tacos and stuff, especially when having salads. So I'm gonna actually properly dry my lettuce now that I have this. Got a few different shaped Tupperwares. Got 2 circle ones and then 2 square ones. I really like the ones like these that have the snap lids. These next storage containers, I don't think they're actually really meant for kitchen, probably more, I guess, bedroom. Well, you can really use them for whatever you want, but I just thought it was really cool how these have lids to them. They're obviously pretty cheap, so I'll find use for these. I have a lot of the bigger kitchen utensils from when I went to Humber College for baking and pastry, so I have like a bread knife, a chef's knife, all of that big utensil stuff, but I do still need some of the smaller stuff, so I ended up just getting this peeler and paring knife set. There's still a few things that I do need. I have to make a list. I know for sure I need a printer, and there's just a couple other things that I can't exactly remember. I need to actually think about it and write them down before I forget again. But I pretty much almost have everything that I need now, except for a few things that I'm planning on hopefully getting on Black Friday. I just got a couple extra kitchen utensils, just like this spoon. This is kind of a thin one, but this is good obviously for cooking with. And then I just got like a cleaning brush. I'm pretty sure this was 99 cents, so I just thought, why not? This last kitchen related item is actually something that I'm really excited about. I use these all the time for baking. They're like the beaker style liquid measuring cups. They had different sizes, and now I'm kind of regretting I should have got the bigger size too, but I honestly don't think I'll be doing anything that really requires me to measure out more than 2 cups at once. This is also the only like glass thing that I got. Everything else is plastic. Last 2 things before we get into the furniture are actually bathroom related items. I'm going to be sharing the condo with one roommate, but it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so we each get our own bathroom. So I did have to get a few bathroom things. The first thing is this black toilet brush. How exciting, I know. And then the other thing is, again, not really that exciting either, but they're just these cute white shower hook rings. I still have to get a shower curtain, and I still have to get like a bath mat. That was the other thing for my list. Okay, I'm just gonna pull up the pictures of the furniture that I did get now. Okay, so in this weirdly shaped box, which you can't see it anyways, but I got this desk chair that is a swivel chair and has arms, and I'm super excited about it. When I sat in it at IKEA, it was really comfy. Okay, this dresser I kind of sprung for. The one that I actually wanted was about $50 cheaper, but they were out of stock. They were kind of out of stock of a lot of stuff, which honestly isn't that surprising because a lot of places are still, especially with Christmas coming up, having issues with their supplies. Anyways, I decided to go for this dresser, which it is better because it has more drawer space anyways. Okay, I can't find the one that I actually got, but this is the one I was originally gonna get. This is the cheaper version. This one is only $69.99, and I was gonna get this one, but it was out of stock. So I had to go with a one that was literally the same, just slightly longer, which again probably works out better for me in the end. That's pretty much it for this video. I am going to be having a lot more moving videos coming up soon, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.